Daily used dialogues to improve English speaking. You are watching English Online Practice Channel.
At the coffee shop. Good morning. I'd like a cappuccino, please.
Sure. What size would you like?
Medium, please.
That will be $3.50. At the grocery store. Excuse me, where can I find the bread?
It's in aisle 3, next to the dairy section.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Making an appointment. Hello, I'd like to make an appointment with Dr. Smith.
Of course. Is tomorrow at 10 a.m. convenient for you?
Yes, that works for me.
Great. You're scheduled for 10 a.m. tomorrow. Asking for directions. Could you tell me how to get to the library?
Go straight, then turn left at the traffic light. The library is on the right.
Thank you.
No problem. At the bank. I need to open a new bank account.
Do you have your identification with you?
Yes, I have my passport and a utility bill.
Perfect. Please fill out this form. Ordering food. Are you ready to order?
Yes. I'll have the grilled chicken with rice, please.
Would you like anything to drink?
Just water. Thank you. At the pharmacy. I need something for a headache.
We have several options. Would you prefer tablets or liquid?
Tablets, please.
Here you go. Take one every 6 hours. Asking about the weather. Do you know what the weather will be like tomorrow?
I heard it's going to rain in the afternoon.
I'd better bring an umbrella then.
That's a good idea. Talking to a neighbor. Good evening. How are you today?
I'm doing well, thank you. How about you?
I'm fine, thanks. Have a nice evening.
You too. At the bus stop. Do you know when the next bus arrives?
It should be here in about 10 minutes.
Thanks. I hope it's not late.
Me too. At the workplace. Could you help me with this report?
Sure. What do you need?
I need someone to proofread it.
I'll look at it during lunch. Checking into a hotel. I have a reservation under the name Johnson.
One moment, please. Yes, we have your booking for 2 nights.
Is breakfast included?
Yes, breakfast is served from 7 o'clock to 10 o'clock a.m. At the doctor's office. What seems to be the problem today?
I have a sore throat and a headache.
How long have you felt this way?
Since yesterday morning. Small talk at work. Did you do anything fun over the weekend?
Yes, I went hiking in the mountains.
That sounds exciting.
It was. The view was amazing. Making a phone call. Hello. May I speak to Jake, please?
This is Jake. Who's calling?
It's Anna from the office.
Hi, Anna. What's going on? At the post office. I'd like to send this package to Canada.
Do you want standard or express delivery?
Express, please.
That will be $25. At home. Can you help me wash the dishes?
Sure. I'll do it after dinner.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
No problem. Asking about a product. Excuse me, is this laptop on sale?
Yes. It's 15% off today.
Does it come with a warranty?
Yes, a 1-year warranty is included. Talking to a classmate. Did you finish the homework for math class?
Not yet. I'm still working on question 5.
That one was difficult.
I agree. Let's solve it together. Talking about hobbies. What do you like to do in your free time?
I enjoy painting and listening to music.
That's interesting. Do you paint landscapes or portraits?
Mostly landscapes. I find them relaxing.